Morning, morning, morning. All right. 5:15. Out of my mind on the 5:15. All right. So Thursday, almost Friday. Markets have stalled. Okay. And we're got some numbers coming out here this morning. We have a few different numbers coming out here. Spies popping up a little bit right now, back up to 585. We closed at 585.59 on our SPY. And as you can see here, we're getting a little pop here right now. All right, so coming back up to 585.40. Traded like garbage yesterday. We finished the inside day. So that's where we is. Okay, watching those diamonds. Right, diamonds. We talked about diamonds yesterday, and we know that that's a spoiler right now with the day down. All right, and looks like they're going to be. Looks like they want to take day down again already this morning with 418.94 going a little lower there. All right, so we'll see what happens there. Really, what I want to talk about is John Deere. John Deere had some earnings out here. All right, it's higher this morning, closed at 497.50. Right now, it's trading on the overnights here 501.22, 501.22. I guess I'm gonna make this pretty quick here. So on the daily, I'm gonna look at it real quick on the daily here. All right, we got an inside day to start the day. That's the only reason I'm talking about John Deere today, because it's a 2-1. All right, and is a possibility for it to take a 2-1-2 down? Possibly could. All right, but it's going to be inside here right now to start the day. And this line that I drew here, 496.09. All right, when you look at that, and I'll change a different time frame, and we got a pretty good support level here on this 5-minute chart here. Hold on there. All right, I'm going to shut that overnight down, because that's a pain. All right. So right here, right, 496.13. We got a pretty good support level here that we see right here. Okay, seems like we got pretty decent support level there. This came down yesterday, tested it, and came back up. All right, as this was the last 5-minute bar of the day yesterday. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the daily again. I want to beat this up too much, but all I'm saying is that I got a 2-1 here. I'm looking for a 2-1-2 break, but you're coming right into that support level. So that's why I'm only reason I'm talking about is here. We're going to try to test this thing at this 496 level, and anywhere below that. If we start to break 492, is what I see coming back down. If it really wanted to break, the thing about it is the earnings were good, but the guidance was horrible. They're saying they're going to be down 10% next year. So that doesn't mean it's going to happen today. It doesn't mean it's going to happen tomorrow. But all I'm saying is that if it does start to break through there and get through that support level, then maybe we could possibly make that move back down to 493. Okay, I think it's going to stay there. I think it's been pretty strong there, and it should stay there. But if it starts to break there, then I think you're going to see some downward movement. All right, so keep an eye on it. Nothing may happen, and something may happen. All right, but again, market stalled out. All right, this is where we are, and we'll see if it's a stall out, or we'll see if it's a reversal, like we're starting to turn around and come back down again. Boeing's up again this morning, so I don't know. Boeing fell apart yesterday, and now it's back up to 208 this morning. I'm long some Boeing. I'm starting to protect up there. All right, that's my thoughts, and we'll see what the market brings today. All right, so everybody have a good day, and be good. Be good.